See this right here, this is the 1996 Nissan Maxima that I've owned for the last 15 years. It's got 330,000 miles on it. I'm still driving it today in 2023. This is a testament to show you that if you keep the oil change, keep the routine maintenance up, and go ahead and address repairs as needed when they come up, that your vehicle will last you and serve you for the foreseeable future, if you will. So keep that in mind. I see a lot of vehicles go down because of lack of maintenance, lack of oil changes. And then you wonder why you got engine problems. So, food for thought. Maintenance is the #1 key in the longevity of your vehicle. Will there be problems along the way? Of course. Cars are gonna always need repair at some point, but you can minimize a lot of the issues by keeping the maintenance up, and then that gets eyes on your vehicle to address issues early before they get compounded, or compounded with multiple smaller problems that become one big problem and you can't fix it all. So keep those things in mind next time you walk out to your vehicle.